Welcome to Hamad International Airport. We've just arrived. Hello, this is John Mark. I just arrived at Hamad International Airport here in Doha. This is my first time here, and of course, it's amazing. There are a lot of Filipinos on the flight, and also here it's a very quiet airport, surprisingly. Maybe because it is almost 11 o'clock in the evening, or maybe is this the usual? So this is the first leg of my trip, BYAHE, from the Spanish word viaje. But we Ilonggos don't have a word for viaje or viaje or journey, so we call it that, BYAHE. I don't know if there is a deeper language for that, but since we're doing just conversational Ilonggo, BYAHE will suffice. So this is it for now. Biyahe ni John, and see you in our next videos. Bye for now, and welcome to Doha.